Hello and welcome to Angela's Hangout. Here we are again. So today is a collaboration hosted by myself and my friend, my dear sweet friend, Carole. Her channel name is Inspiredby. We are hosting this joint collaboration and it is called A Style With Your Heart. How sweet is that? I mean, that's really cute. So basically all you have to do is a little DIY or a tablescape, or in my case I'm doing a bar cart, or pretty much anything. Could be a back door, front door, whatever that you decorate for Valentine's Day, and just link it in the little playlist below. And let's create a playlist and get it going so we can showcase and support each other. So that's what this is all about, right? So anyway, I did both kind of. I did a little DIY, not really a DIY. I did like a little, I don't know what you call it. I did a little bouquet, and you'll see. And it's perfect for anybody, especially any man in your life, or anybody, any bacon lover in your life. And so I'm gonna start with that, and then I'm gonna show you my bar cart, how I styled it out for Valentine's Day, and let's get busy. Alrighty guys, here is my little bar cart, all decked out for Valentine's Day. And of course my little man is after our bacon roses. Aren't those cute? I think they turned out so cute. Perfect for any man in your life. So, I don't know if you saw one of my hauls, but I found this for $23 at TJ Maxx. Right? I mean, look at that. That is just absolutely stunning. Beautiful bucket. The little cozy, wine cozy that came from Pier 1. And of course those are from Dollar Tree. This is from Dollar Tree. I love that. Follow your heart to the bar cart. Yes. Here is my cute little DIY. Of course I had to get some Ciroc, and this came from Ross, my little mixer. And since we just made some Bloody Marys, we had to have some embellishment. So of course you have to have some celery and some olives and your citrus there, and as well as these beautiful little roses. I got these from Dollar Tree. This came from Target in the dollar spot. And we go down to second row, and there is our Bloody Mary mix. It has my name all over it. I cannot wait to try it. And this cute little pink thing here, that little mason jar came from the 99-cent store. And of course we have some twinkling little martini glasses down here, and the big old XO that came from Dollar Tree, or not Dollar Tree, I'm sorry, that came from Target. So yeah, here is my cute little bar cart. I just love it. And Georgie is wondering where the bacon is. Georgie, you want some bacon? Georgie, you want a bacon roast? It's not back there. It's not back there, honey. Yeah, it's up there. You know where it is, huh? Oh, yeah. Alrighty, it is the moment of truth. Let's give it a try. Oh yeah, that is pretty darn good. A little bit spicy, but I kind of like it spicy. If you don't like it spicy, just submit it the Tabasco and it'll be really good. So anyway, yeah, that's good. I'll put it in the description box below if you want the recipe. So anyway, I will also have in the description box, I will have the playlist, so you can just go ahead and copy your URL and add it to it, and you will be on our playlist. I think that's it. Thank you so much for joining us. I really appreciate it. We appreciate it. And so looking forward to watching everybody's Valentine's Day themed DIYs or how they decorate for Valentine's Day. It's always nice to get inspiration from everybody. And I'm really looking forward to it. So again, thank you so much all. I really appreciate it. Bye-bye now.